Alright, thanks for checking out this video on our channel here. This is going to be kind of an unboxing and review video of this particular tool that's in this box. The company that makes or sells these things got a hold of us through an email. I guess they've seen some of our videos either of us working on things, which we work on a lot of electric fence equipment, or maybe they saw my review video I did on a HOTO HPT. This is an electric screw gun model DB3DL2. I don't know what video they saw. They said they liked my videos and wanted to let me try this tool out. I was like, sure, I'll try it out. They sent it to me for free, so we're gonna. I think I've seen other people use this in other videos, but you know, I use what I use and I like it. So we'll see how this does for us. But we're gonna. It's called a HOTO 3.6 volt cordless screwdriver. Model number is QWLSD001. Shanghai, China is where it's made at. But it's got some weight to it, so I mean, it didn't. It's got some weight to it, so it's got something heavy in it. A charge cable. It's pretty slick looking. I think you can unlock it and lock it. I guess if you were like a little carrying case, something you can. So if you need to store it away so it doesn't get damaged, you can put it back in here, like a anodized steel, aluminum, whatever you want to call it. But it looks good. There's the tool itself, and there's all your different bits it comes with. Are these double-sided? Nope. Yeah, it comes with all kinds of little bits. It comes with, you know, a bunch of different Phillips bits, which we use. This is the drill I use, but we use a lot of Phillips and Torx and tamper-proof Torx and different types. But this doesn't come with any tamper-proof, but I've got some here that should pop right in there. So, well, yeah, it sits right in there. I don't know if this where it charges that. Must charge on this. It's got a rubber grip to it. Doesn't come on. Oop. Got three speeds. If those aren't speeds, it's probably that might be the torque, like the clutch on it. Let's see what the little little things it's got with it. Let's see. Yeah, this is the torque knob, they call it right here. So it's got off and 1, 2, and 3. So you got 3 different modes for torque. It's basically like the clutch or torque, whatever you want to call it, on a regular drill. It's just got three different ones. There's a little cover to kind of cover up the spot where your bits go. See, my bits should fit in there. Not fast. I mean, that's I think it's 1 speed. And put it like in this one. It's a lot faster. And even the slow speed is faster than this one is, which it's about the same. But this is a lot slower. But you know, speed's not always everything. Does it have a light on it? Where's the light at? Oh, it's built right into the thing. As soon as you turn it on and push the button, the light comes on. How bright is that light? Turn all these lights off and see how bright it is. I don't work too much in the dark, but I guess if you're trying to see something, I don't know, the light might not be super bright. I mean, it's bright enough, but it ain't gonna really point you what you're doing, I guess, too much. You can't really see it on the bench here. Looks like you charge it down here below. Looks like it takes a kind of USB plugs that got on the other end. It's got regular USB on one end, and hey, it's got USB-C on the other end, so that's kind of nice. So you can, my cell phone charger is the same thing. So, yeah, cell phone charger cord I got works just fine. Kind of a short little cord, but if you got, you know, Android phone, you can just, and you got a USB-C, which is the one that can go either way, upside down or right side up. That plugs right in there, no problem. And a little light comes on saying it's charging. Let's see. Number 6, yeah, charging indicator. The charging indicator will slowly blink white, which is what it's doing. When fully charged, the indicator will stay white. So when this stops flashing, it flashes real slow. So it's charging right now. When it's solid white and won't flash anymore, it's fully charged. And it says when it's battery level drops below 20%, will blink red real fast on this little charge indicator. So it's nice that it's not kind of dummy proof for knowing how to if the battery's good or not. I don't know how long the battery's supposed to last, but it'll last for a while, I'm sure. But let's let me grab something I was working on a little bit ago. I was working on a scale here. This is a weigh scale for weighing cattle and livestock animals. It's a weight display, basically. And it's got just regular old Phillips bits in there. Let's let me unplug this real quick. Let me torque them all down with this real quick, and then we'll take Alright, let's use there since that's what it came with. Let's see, this will probably work right there. Put that in. We'll try the lowest setting first. See if that's strong enough to pull open. It's slow, but it works. And I had it on the first setting of the torque there, and that pulls them right out. So it's slower than this, but like here's this one. So it's slower than this, but you can see there's a pretty good size difference between the two. But I think this would be all right for what we do. You know, if I wasn't in a huge hurry to do something, I could use this and pop the screws out. So far so good. I like it. I like the way it feels. It's not very big, not super heavy. I mean, it's got some weight to it. So they must have a pretty good battery in here, and maybe the little motor and gear assembly that's inside this is probably pretty stout. Or feels like it is because it's got some weight to it. But I like it. I think it's pretty slick. So if the company that sent me this is watching it, I like it. I like this drill. But I'm gonna go ahead and charge it up since it says it needs a, since it's a little low, since the battery light is flashing for the charging part of it. So we'll probably will charge it up. But pretty slick little screwdriver. I don't know what these things sell for, but if you go on, I imagine Amazon's where it sent it to me through Amazon. Like I said, it's a model. What was the model number at? Here, let's get the box again. It was model number QWLSD 001. But yeah, 220 rotations per minute. Pretty nice. That'd be the box anymore. But yeah, whenever you're done, just put it in here. Everything lined up, and then turn it. Now it's locked up, and you can, if you have a nail on the cork board or something like that, you can just hang it up on there. Yeah, pretty slick. Pretty nice little tool. I think it looks nice, feels pretty good, and we'll use it from time to time. If I'm in a huge hurry, I'm going to use this. But if I'm just doing normal repairs, not really in a big hurry, probably try that out and give it some more time and use on there. But if you're wanting to get a little compact little electric screwdriver, I think this one would be worth looking at. They get to me for free to try, so I didn't pay nothing for this. They said try it out, make whatever videos you want about it, and share them to the world. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to share it to the world. Let other people see it. So, not sponsored by anybody. They just sent it to me for me to try. So we'll take it as you will and go from there. Alright, well, thanks for watching the video, and see you later.